than 1,000 years, millions of people have looked toward this place, the Kaaba. Today it stands at the center of the Grand Mosque in Mecca. But here's something many people don't realize. The Kaaba has not always looked like this. Its walls have changed. Its shape has changed. And at several points in history, the entire structure was rebuilt. This is the story of the Kaaba through more than 1,400 years of history. Long before the skyscrapers, before the enormous Grand Mosque, Mecca was a very different place, a valley surrounded by mountains. According to Islamic tradition, Prophet Abraham and his son Ismail established the foundations of the sacred house. It became a place dedicated to the worship of one God. And around it, life in the valley began to grow. The story of Zamzam is also connected to this valley. And over generations, Mecca developed around the sacred house. But the Kaaba we imagine today was still far in the future. Centuries later, the Quraysh rebuilt the Kaaba. But here is where the story becomes interesting. The Quraysh did not rebuild the entire area associated with the earlier foundations. A section remained outside the walls. That area became known as the Hijr. This was the Kaaba that stood during the lifetime of Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. So already, the Kaaba looked different from the structure we know today. In the 7th century, the Kaaba was damaged during conflict in Mecca. And Abdullah ibn al-Zubayr rebuilt it. But he did something significant. He incorporated the Hijr into the structure, restoring a larger footprint. He also built 2 doors, one for entering and another for leaving. Look at the Minecraft reconstruction. The walls move outward. The Hijr disappears from outside the building because it has become part of the Kaaba itself. For a moment, the sacred house had a very different shape. But the greatest threat was not always war. Sometimes it was nature. Floods have repeatedly affected Mecca throughout history. And after severe damage, the Kaaba was repaired and reconstructed again. During the Ottoman period, one major reconstruction followed serious flooding. Once again, the sacred house was rebuilt. Now, watch Mecca transform. The small settlement becomes a city. Millions of Muslims around the world face toward it every day, and millions more travel to Mecca to perform tawaf around it. History isn't always something written in a book. Sometimes you can see it in the stones. Today, the Kaaba stands beneath the lights of modern Mecca, surrounded by one of the largest religious complexes in the world. But beneath all of that modern architecture is a story that reaches much further back, to Ibrahim and Ismail, to the ancient valley of Mecca, to the Quraysh, to the reconstructions of Ibn al-Zubayr, to the changes that followed.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك.
Generation after generation, people rebuilt it, protected it, and preserved it. The Kaaba changed, but its importance endured. One place, many generations, many reconstructions, one enduring legacy. This is the story of the Kaaba. The story presented in this video is a summary based on various historical sources and narrations about the construction and changes of the Kaaba throughout history. There are different versions and interpretations of these events, so this video should not be taken as an absolute account of everything that happened. If there are any inaccuracies in our narration or reconstruction, we sincerely apologize. Our intention is simply to share this story, explore history, and help more people learn about the Kaaba and its remarkable journey through time. Perfect knowledge belongs only to Allah, and Allah knows best.